Hey there! If you are on FeetFinder or just looking to get more creative with your feet pics, don't sleep on your car. Seriously, your car might just be your best low-effort photo studio yet. First up, the feet out of the window shot. It is timeless. Natural lighting, a relaxed pose, and a touch of freedom. It gives off major chill vibes that buyers love. Try resting your feet on the steering wheel to highlight your toes or a fresh pedi. It's casual, but catches attention fast, especially with the right lighting and color contrast. So your car floor mat might not seem that exciting, okay? But hear me out. With the right shadows and the tightest angle, the texture makes your feet truly stand out. Simple, but striking. If you want something a little softer, the passenger seat is perfect. It creates a laid-back, almost intimate vibe, especially with warm lighting and a cozy backdrop. Feel free to add some lifestyle touches. A coffee cup, sunglasses, or even a phone can turn your feet pic to a full story. That's the kind of content that performs well on FeetFinder. Use your camera's timer or selfie stick to free up your hands and steady the frame. Don't just shoot from one angle. Play around with height, distance, and close-ups to keep your gallery fresh. Your car gives you a controlled space with tons of mood potential. Sunset glow, rainy reflections, or backseat softness. With just your phone and a little bit of planning, you can create a full set of high-performing content. If you've been stuck for ideas, just remember, your next best-selling feet pic might come from your own driveway, okay? The FeetFinder car combo works. It's simple, real, and packed with creative potential. Trust me. Head to FeetFinder.com, start posting, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to boost your content game. See you next time. Bye, you guys.